Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the tutorial of this eye look because some of you guys been asking me to do a yellow makeup look, and here I finally do it. And if you are new here, my name is Chatsiri, or Chat for short, and I am from Thailand, but right now I am living in Germany. And without any further ado, let's jump to our videos today. First, I'm priming my lid with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in medium using a large concealer brush. Next, with ColourPop and Bretman collaboration lid palette, I'm taking that yellow matte shade with large blending brush, and I'm stamping that shade all over my lid and blend it out with windshield motion. And using the same brush, I'm taking single eyeshadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills in burnt orange, and I'm putting that shade on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm taking a small shading brush and I'm dipping into King's Landing from Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette, and I'm carving half of my lid out. Next, I'm taking the gold shimmer shade from lid palette and pack that with the same brush on the outer half of my lid. Next, with ColourPop Bretman wet palette, I'm taking the silver shade with detail brush. I'm drawing a line where I carve my lid with King's Landing until half of my lid. Then going back with a small shading brush, I'm blending that silver shade into King's Landing. Next, I'm just adding some black liner on the bottom of my lash line and also the upper waterline. And then I'm setting my eyeliner with black eyeshadow and do some mascara and add faux lashes from Kiss Blooming Lash in Lily. Okay, I just put on my base, my bronzer, my blush, and my highlight. And now we are going to continue on the lower lash line. So first, I'm taking a single eyeshadow from ColourPop in Paper Tiger with a medium blending brush, and I'm laying that shade all over my lower lash line. Going back into yellow matte shade with a dome flat brush, I'm applying that shade in the inner section of my lower lash line using scratch motion. Now, just to make it brighter, I'm going with the Sephora Color Block Liner in yellow shade, and I'm just drawing a line at the same area I laid the yellow shade earlier. And to complete the eye look, I'm just adding a mascara on my lower lash line. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Leave me the comment down below, and I will link every other product that I used that did not show in my video on the description box so you guys can check it out. If you like this video also, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more video from me, and also ring the bell because that's how you get notification when I upload my new video. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video about an ant. Bye!